Creating your first article. Now that we've explored the dashboard, let's create our very first article. From the main navigation menu, click Articles. This page displays all of the articles and blog posts that have already been created. Depending on your permissions, you'll be able to create new articles, edit existing ones, or manage published content. To create a new article, click Add Article. At first glance, you'll notice there are quite a few fields on this page. Don't worry, it may look overwhelming initially, but creating an article is actually very straightforward. We'll go through each section one step at a time. Before we begin, I'd like to share a simple tip that will make writing articles much easier. Instead of writing directly inside the CMS, I recommend preparing your article beforehand using Google Docs, Microsoft Word, or any text editor you're comfortable with. This gives you time to proofread your content, organize your headings, and prepare your SEO information before publishing. For this tutorial, I've already prepared a draft article in Google Docs. It contains my article title, SEO details, headings, paragraphs, and images. Speaking of images, try to optimize them before uploading. As a general recommendation, keep each image under 1 MB whenever possible to improve loading speed and website performance. For this demonstration, we'll complete the article in 3 stages. First, we'll create a new article from scratch and publish it. Second, we'll come back and update the article with additional content. And finally, we'll edit the published article to demonstrate how future updates are made. Let's begin. At the top of the page, you'll notice 2 important controls, Preview and Publish button. Publish button is inactive at this time. Keep in mind that the preview is designed to help you review your content and the arrangement of your content blocks. The exact appearance may differ slightly from your live website because every website has its own layout, styling, fonts, and page design. Think of the preview as a content review rather than an exact representation of the final web page. Let's move down to the section. We have article settings, article stats, and checklist. In article settings panel, the first is category. Categories help organize your articles into sections such as news, blogs, events, announcements, or any categories your website uses. Choose the category that best matches the content you're publishing. The second option is publication status. This determines whether your article is currently draft, published, or archived, depending on your article publication status. For now, we'll leave it as a draft and continue filling out the article. Next is the article statistics panel. This section automatically keeps track of information such as your word count, character count, and the number of content blocks used in your article. These statistics are useful when writing SEO-friendly content and monitoring the overall length of your article. Everything updates automatically as you continue writing. Beside the statistics, you'll also see the publishing checklist. This is one of the most helpful features in NarraPress. Before an article can be published, every required item in this checklist must be completed. Instead of wondering why the Publish button isn't working, the checklist clearly tells you what's still missing. This makes the publishing process much easier, especially for first-time users. This will preview if article has title, article has content, category is selected, description is provided, there's a cover image, if any, is missing. The Published button will remain inaccessible until all the checklist is satisfied. Now, let's move on to the metadata section. This section is extremely important because it helps search engines understand your content. Let's go through each field. The first field is the article title. This serves as the primary title of your article and is typically used as the page title and main heading, also known as the H1 heading. Choose a title that's clear, descriptive, and easy for readers to understand. Next is the subtitle. This field is optional, but it can provide additional context or a short introduction to your article. After that, we have the description. This description is used for SEO and search engine previews. As a best practice, keep it between 50 and 160 characters. If your description exceeds the maximum recommended length, the CMS will throw an error before allowing the article to be published. Try to write a concise summary that accurately describes what readers can expect from your article. Next, upload your cover image or featured image. This image usually appears at the top of your article and may also be displayed when your article is shared online. The meta title and meta description are optional. These are commonly used when sharing your article on social media platforms such as Facebook, allowing you to customize how the article appears when someone shares the link. Below that, you'll find the article placement options. Depending on your website's design, you may be able to mark an article as featured, hero, or popular. These options control where the article appears on your website's homepage or other featured sections. You'll also find the scheduled publish date, which allows you to automatically publish the article at a future date and time. Finally, you'll see the read time field. This estimates how long it will take readers to finish the article. If left at 0, your website may calculate it automatically depending on its configuration. At the bottom are the tags and keywords. For now, simply add the keywords that best describe your article. Later in this tutorial, we'll discuss categories, tags, and keywords in more detail, including best practices for using them effectively. With the metadata complete, it's time to start writing the article. NarraPress uses a block-based editor, which means every piece of content is created as an individual block instead of one large text area. By default, a new article starts with a paragraph block. On the side of the editor, click the plus button to add another content block. You'll see several available block types, including paragraph, heading, list, quote, divider, image, video, and code. We'll explore each of these block types in detail later in this tutorial. For now, we'll simply recreate our draft article. Looking at the document we've prepared, we have a heading, followed by several paragraphs, another heading, a list, and so on. We'll follow the same structure inside NarraPress. This block-based approach keeps your content organized, easier to read, and much easier to edit later. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can edit text, remove blocks, insert new ones, and continue refining your article before publishing. One thing to note is that rearranging content blocks is not yet available in the current version of NarraPress. This feature is planned for a future CMS update. With everything prepared, let's begin creating our article.